this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2010 Mazda 2, stock number 646747. This ran from the 5th 2010 to the 9th 2014. It has a ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 15-inch factory mag tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 15-inch factory mag tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory mag tyre. Right rear door 2 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 15-inch factory mag tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,